Subscribe to Drama YT and press the bell icon to get the latest videos first of the all. Hey guys, how are you? It's K2 and welcome back to Drama YT. Have you guys ever considered a scenario where you fall in love with the people whom you hated the most? In real life, it might be highly unlikable, but in the fantasy world of Chinese dramas, anything is possible. So in this video, I'm gonna talk about my top 10 Chinese dramas with enemy to love stories. As always, do check the description box for more information and just give this video a like and do comment below that which drama list you want to watch next. And now let's get to it. Number 10. My Amazing Boyfriend. Mutant Xiaoling Xia, who has been asleep for centuries, is awakened by unlucky actress Tianjing Shi in a car accident. He then forces his way into living at her house despite his mysterious past. On the surface, she acts like she is not bothered by his superpowers, but actually, she tries her best to get rid of this monster. Unexpectedly, their torment of each other gradually warms their relationship. This not only illuminates their romantic feelings but also reveals a shocking conspiracy that has spanned for centuries. Number 9. Love Better Than Immortality. In the year 2196, technology has advanced so much that what was once considered extraordinary has now become ordinary. No longer troubled by the cares of daily life, nor plagued by the fear of death, humans have attained a new level of existence, but immortality comes at a cost. Trading the genuine experience of a life well lived for those attained through virtual reality programs. Humans can do the impossible, but some like Chunhua have found that these virtual experiences just can't satisfy their innate need to experience something real. Dissatisfied with her life, Chunhua longs to experience true love, seeking out a program that guarantees an experience like no another. Chunhua agrees to take part in a most unusual adventure, giving up her immortality for a chance to experience true love. Waking up in a completely different world, Chunhua finds herself quickly entangled in a complicated love story between the arrogant and aggressive Xiu Yu and the kind and gentle Xiaobai. Mortal enemy Xiu Yu and Xiaobai are as different as night and day, yet both find themselves falling for Chunhua. Torn between the love at first sight and love strengthened over time, Chunhua must decide which man has truly won her heart. Number 8. The Eternal Love. Mu Liangsheng, the 8th prince of Dongyu, is forced to marry Shu Tanra, who was already in love with Mu Liangsheng's elder brother Mu Yihuai. Shu Tanra tries to commit suicide before the wedding can take place. Instead of dying, Shu Tanra wakes up with the soul of Xiaotan, a real estate agent from the modern times, in her body. Every time one of them falls unconscious or tells a lie that is incompatible with the feelings they hold in their heart, the soul in control of Shu Tanra's body switches. Although Shu Tanra's body has the same outer appearance as the Xiaotan's original body, their souls are distinct and their personalities are very different. While Shu Tanra is quiet and refined, Xiaotan is loud, mischievous and bold. Shu Tanra's history with his elder brother Mu Yihuai and her different personalities raise Mu Liangqing's suspicion even more. But he soon falls in love with Xiaotan. Xiaotan tries every method she can think of to return to her own time. But nothing seems to work. Can Xiaotan ever get back to the modern world? Number 7. The Brightest Star in the Sky. Star Entertainment is the top entertainment agency in China. It was set up by a couple, Cheng Tianhao and Du Wanxing, who eventually get separated due to their different beliefs in managing the company. Yang Zhenzhen is an aspiring young girl with a passion for music. She joined Starry Sky Entertainment and was assigned as Zheng Boshu's assistant. Boshu is a popular idol who is arrogant and unruly. With the help of Zhenzhen, who helped him correct his flaws and unleash his potential, Boshu slowly transforms into a talented singer. In the process, Zhenzhen also gains experience and becomes a capable idol manager. At the same time, Du Wanxing is also grooming a singer, Yuzurui, who shapes up to become Boshu's biggest competitor yet. Number 6. The Legends. While attempting to take her Presider's Wanzun sword, Lu Zhaoyao is ambushed by the 10 immortal sects and dies. She mistakenly believes Li Qianlan, who is her best ally, is related to the incident after he is revealed to be the Demon King's son. 5 years later, Li Qianlan has taken over the position of Wanlu sect leader and Zhao Yao decides to exact revenge. She, who is now a spirit, possesses the body of Xin Jinyan, a female disciple of the immortal sect, and with the help of newly gained body, she becomes the direct disciple of Mo Xing, aka Lin Qianlan, with the aim of killing him. But things don't go as she planned when she slowly starts to fall in love with him instead. Meanwhile, Jiang Wu, an ambitious youth, wants to kill Lin Shenlan and become the sect leader. He is interested in Ziyan. What will happen when their lives are intertwined? Will Zhao Yao be able to regain her body back and become the sect leader again? What is the fate of Xin Ziyan, whose body Zhao Yao possesses? Number 5. My Unicorn Girl. Sang Tian is an aspiring figure skater. On the day she turns 18, she vows to her family that she will be accepted to the same university that her mother once attended. To get in, she must pass a test, which she, an exceptionally competent skater and student, expects to ace. However, things do not go according to the plan for Sang Tian and she fails the exam. Undaunted, Sang Tian decides not to give up, and in desperation, she dresses as a male ice hockey player and joins in a trial match for the college team. She unexpectedly signs and is selected as a part of the men's ice hockey program. Things get even more complicated for her when she realizes that Wang Bin, a young man she has crossed swords with in the past, is also a part of the team. Worse still, she finds she must share a dormitory with him and struggles to keep her true identity a secret. On the ice, Sang Tian and Wang Bing prove to be the catalysts for their team's newfound success, and the team finds itself with a shot at the championship. As the two students start to get to know one another, they develop a mutual respect for one another. But could that one day turn to love? Number 4. Under the Power. In the final years of reign of Jiangxing Empire during the Ming Dynasty, Louis of Xinyi is commissioned to investigate the disappearance of the funds that have been set aside for river repairs in Yangzhou. He is assisted by Wang Jinxia of the Liu. The two accidentally become involved in a conspiracy. The talented female constable Wang Jinxia gets into a disagreement with the hot-tempered Xinyi Louis over a case that they are both involved in. Jinxia thought that she would never encounter Louis again in this lifetime, yet fate has its way of bringing two people back together. Government funds have been stolen and Jinxia receives orders to assist Louis in his investigation. Number 3. Arsenal Military Academy. Shi Xiang joins the army in her brother's stead by pretending to be a man. She becomes classmates with the wealthy Gu Yanzhen and the calm Shen Junshan. Through their rigorous training, the three form a bond to become comrades, all while Shi Xiang tries to keep her cover. After many incidents, Shi Xiang earns the respect of her peers and superiors. She also becomes the object of affections of the two men in her lives. The Japanese military stations more forces in the northeast region, causing the young heroes to engage in a battle as they uncover a big conspiracy. Number 2. Skate into Love. A short-track speed skating girl crosses paths with the ice hockey god of their school. Despite starting off on the wrong foot, they start on a journey to chase after their dreams. During elementary school, the timid and cowardly Liu Bing had to endure his seatmate Tang Xiu's constant bullying. Even so, they share one thing in common, a dream on the ice. When they meet again at Linda University, Liu Bing has already become the school's ice god, while Tang Xiu's future remains hazy. Liu Bing pulls a few strings to turn Tang Xiu into his helper with the goal of getting payback for everything that she did. The more they spend time together, the more Liu Bing notices Tang Xiu's good qualities. He realizes that his courage on ice is inspired by Tang Xiu herself. In turn, he helps Tang Xiu rediscover her dream in speed skating. Problems arise when misunderstandings from the past catch up to them. Figure skating prodigy Yu Yan enters the picture. Tang Xiu's first love, Bai Sheng, also returns while school beauty Zhao Ran continues to make trouble. As they face roadblocks from the disapproving parents and fierce competitors, they land in the crossroad that will decide their sports career. As the two impassioned youths put on their skates, they glide into the unknown but exciting future ahead. Number 1. My Little Princess. When you are trying to win over your Prince Charming, can you find him in an unexpected place? Exactly. Ling Xingshen is an heiress of a wealthy family but faces pressure to marry well because of her illegitimate status. Her target, the suave and wealthy Zheng Shuyao, a fellow student of the elite art school known as the Four-Leaf College. But due to a number of misunderstandings, Xingshen at first mistakes the brooding Jiang Nianyu as Shuyao and tries to get his attention. But when Xingshen realizes that she has the wrong man, she keeps running into Nianyu in the most compromising ways and then learns that Nianyu is the only person who can teach her to tango to be able to get into Chuyao's good graces. But Xingshen is annoyed by Chuyao, only seems interested in a poor student, Yu Yang Yang. who was admitted to the prestigious school because her father saved the principal's life? Can Nyanyu teach Xingshen to tango right into Chu Yao's heart, or will she discover that her destiny is with someone else? So that was it guys, the video ends here. I hope you have liked this video. If you have watched the video till here, give this video a like and subscribe to Drama YT. And yet you guys have not followed me on the Instagram handle, which is right in front of you. It is called dramayt.k2. Follow me there as well. And I will see you later as always. Your K2. Love, peace and hugs. It's been a pleasure.